Impact Affiliate Marketing Program tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the affiliate marketing program of Impact. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Impact, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Impact, it is a comprehensive partnership management platform that helps businesses build, track, and optimize a wide range of partnership, including affiliates, influencers, ambassadors, B2B partners, and media partners, through one unified system. And it also simplifies, streamlines every stage of partnership lifecycle, from discovering and recruiting partners to setting up contracts, tracking performance, handling payouts, and even analyzing results. So now to create an account or join to the Impact Affiliate program, you can simply scroll down until you find the publisher section in here. Or you could also choose these affiliates or click affiliate marketing in here for brands. By clicking on it, you will be directed in here. It will show you some of the things that you need to know. Or alternatively, you can simply click the sign up button, in which you will automatically be directed in here on some of the plan that they offer. But to start signing in, just click this sign up as a partner. After you click this sign up now button, from here just scroll down until you find here this button, sign up as a partner. By doing so, you'll automatically be directed on the page where all you need to do is simply fill out or simply sign in using your Apple ID, email, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and many more. You will be directed in here. After that, you also need to simply enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. Then on this dashboard or homepage of Impact Affiliate Program, it will show us here below some of the options to navigate, including our dashboard, today's earning, snapshot, our available balances, pending, and many more. But in here, to navigate the affiliate marketing, we firstly need to discover a brands or simply join or apply to some of the brand in here. Upon clicking the brand option, you will be directed on this page. It will show you all of the brands that is already available to join in with the corresponding details, and that includes the commission rate that they offer. Under all brands in here, all you need to do is simply choose which kind of brand do you prefer to join in. Or you could choose under the category section on the left side panel, including accessories and services, accommodations, apparel and accessories, and any kind of category that you want to join in as an affiliate marketing. For example, this one, Flapco. By clicking on it, you should be able to see all of the result on this pop-up window or on the right side panel window in here. And that includes the top selling products of this company, the description about, and even the commission rate, the response rate in here, and acceptance rate. Now, given all of these details, you can click apply button and it will show you that you can earn 1% to 20% online sale. From here, you could also enter the reason why you want to work on this campaign. You can simply enter here a short sentences about your purpose and also the reason why you want to join here on this campaign as an affiliate. So from here, I'm just going to enter, I really believe that this brand are really helpful for people globally. Then we can click apply now button to start applying. And all you need to do is simply wait for the response on your email. You could also email them directly by clicking send email button, including to enter the subject line and the message. And once done, you could go to the details section. It will show you all the details that you need to know on how you can start tracking your earnings or how you can start earning using this company. You could also go to the pre-approved section, but it will show you all of the pre-approved available brands in here. We have here this Proper, Prime Life, Organic, Fly with Courage. Upon clicking on it, from here it will show us again all of the details, and that includes our commission rate, the details where their service located, and as you can see, it is all available internationally or globally. To apply, just click apply button and click apply or enter here the description or the answer to their question. Moving on, aside from that, you'd also click or choose the payout model in here on the left side panel. that you prefer aside from categories filter. You have here online lead, online sale, online download that you prefer. In which is basically the basis on how you can start earning using the commission rate. And from here, you could also navigate to choose the brand attributes, including allows trademark, open to placement, open to influencers, and many more. And even the service areas right here. Now, given all of this category and also filter, you can start applying for any of the brand in here. But also, again, you need to understand or consider the acceptance rate of one brand before applying to it, since it determines on how many affiliate has already been applied and get accepted to this brand. So the higher the acceptance rate is, the higher the possibility that you will get approved to join to their affiliate program of this brand. And now upon visiting my favorites option right here, this is basically the brands that I already applied to join to their affiliate program. So basically, after they've been accepted or makes me an eligible part of their affiliate program, I'll be able to receive a specific tracker link or affiliate link, and that link I can use to share it to my friends' social media account, such as on IG, Facebook, and many more. And when a customer tries to purchase using my tracker link, I'll earn a commission from it. For example, this Golden State Warrior shop that they offer these top selling products with 30% acceptance rate. When I apply on this and I get accepted to be part of their affiliate program, I will be able to receive a tracker link. And when a customer tries to purchase any of these top selling products of this brand, I will earn a commission from it. That includes 8% commission to every sale that I made using my tracker link. Now moving on, you could also navigate the reports option on the top panel to see the overview about the data, and that includes the total amount of your sale, the top categories, your performance by referral, and many more. So basically, using this affiliate, it can provide businesses with tools to discover new patterns, onboard them smoothly, and automate key processes such as contracting, tracking conversion, handling payouts, and even measuring performance. And in here, with real-time analytics and customizable tracking capabilities, users can monitor partner activity, evaluate return on investment or ROI, and identify high-performing affiliates more effectively. And overall, the impact affiliate streamlines partnership workflows, reduces manual tasks, and empowers businesses to scale their affiliate marketing efforts with clear insights, stronger partner relationships, and even have more efficient campaign management. And overall, that is just how you can join the Impact Affiliate Marketing Program. Thank you.